Welcome to all. We started with this chapter HTML and we are doing HSC board program so that you all will get benefit of these videos, and I know you all are not having books with you, so you should get all kind of board programs. Okay, so we are doing HSC board programs with Rospan and Colspan. Let's see. This is also a board program which already came for 2 times for 5 marks. See here in this table you are having number of columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total maximum number of column is 6 and maximum number of rows is, here we are having 2 rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maximum number of rows are 5. Okay. I want student name. You can see student name is not in single line, so I used here BR tag. We will use BR tag. See here. Here we are having 2 rows. Actually it is combination of 2 rows. You can see one for mark and one for this test 1, 2, 3. So we are having 2 rows for serial number, student name and this total. So here we are having row span, but how many rows are spanning? You can count 1 and 2. So row span equal to 2 for serial number, student name and total. And you can see this marks obtained. Here we are having Colspan because you can see from this column we are getting test 1, test 2 and test 3. 3 more columns. So here Colspan will be 3. Other things are same. Okay, all the other things are same as your basic programs, and you can see this first and second row the content are in bold, so we have to use TH tag. So let's see border equal to 1 and align center, so we'll get our table in center. I started with first row, and for serial number you can see for serial number I have to span row and total number of rows will be 2, marks obtained and number of this test, so row span is 2. Okay, so I entered row span equal to 2 for this serial number. Next is student name, so here also row span will be 2, student name, so it should come separate or in 2 different lines, so I use this BR tag. Okay, and in third row in for third column you can see we have marks obtained and this is Colspan equal to 3, so I entered Colspan equal to 3, align center, and I entered the content, that is marks obtained. Okay, and last one is total. This is also row span 2. यहाँ पे भी 2 rows को merge किया है, so here also we are having row span 2 and data as total, and I close this TR. You can see कि अभी after this total we are not having anything. Total is the last content of this first row. Okay, इसके बाद हमारा टेबल यहाँ पे क्लोज हो रहा है, फर्स्ट रो क्लोज हो रहा है, so we have to close this first row. Now I start with second row. Now you can see in second row which one is the second row. So I'll mention this is the second row. ये जो डेटा है आपका ये second row है, because first row में तो ये सब merge में हो गया. This is row span, this is also row span and this one is also row span. But in second row you are having this 3 span plus this 3 content. Okay, so spanning is already given, so in second row we are having just the content of test 1, test 2 and test 3. Okay, because spanning for 2 rows is already given. So this is the content of our second row, and for third row you can see it is same serial number. There is no spanning of rows and column from the third row, fourth and fifth row. For these 3 row we are not having any kind of span. This is very simple program. We have to use TD tag for this content. Okay, so we have to enter. You can see I entered TD tag, then ABC, then marks 150, 150, 125 and 425. You can see 150, 150, 125 and 425. Okay, so this is the third row. third row. Same way I will enter fourth row and fifth row. These rows are very simple. Just you have to keep in mind where you are having row span and col span. That's it. Okay. So we'll get our program. This is the code. I stored the program with name table.html, and while running I got this output. Okay, you can see using break tag I got student and name in two different lines. Okay, and merging is there, spanning is there as per our need. So this is the program. Next one, you can see this is the mixture of list and table tag. Okay, this is also a board program. HSC board exam, computer science paper 1 and 2 and total marks. So you can see where you have to use LI tag, OL tag and UL tag. So you can see this is 1 and 2 is based on your OL tag and this disk is based on your UL tag. Okay, और ये पूरा पैटर्न क्या है, टेबल है. सो टेबल टैग में लिस्ट यूज करना है. सो यू आर हैविंग HSC बोर्ड एग्जाम इज योर कोल स्पैन इक्वल टू 2. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कॉलम क्या है, ये कंप्यूटर साइंस का कॉलम 1 और ये वाला कॉलम 2. सो यहाँ पे दो कॉलम्स को मर्ज किया है. तो HSC बोर्ड एग्जाम लिखने के लिए यू नीड कोल स्पैन इक्वल टू 2. और यहाँ पे ये कंप्यूटर साइंस लिखने के लिए क्या चाहिए हमें, यू कैन सी just count the number of box. Okay, you are having this box 1 and this box as 2 and computer science लिखने के लिए हमने ये दो बॉक्स को मर्ज किया है, मतलब ये दोनों रोज को मर्ज किया है. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी आर हैविंग रो स्पैन इक्वल टू 2. ओके, एंड हियर इन दिस TH टैग और TD टैग जो भी आप यूज करोगे, वैसे तो कंटेंट बोल्ड में है सो यू हैव टू यूज TH टैग. फिर इस टैग में वी हैव टू स्टार्ट TH टैग एंड देन OL टैग. OL टैग में लिस्ट देना है एंड क्लोज योर TH टैग. ओके, सेम वे हियर, यहाँ पे भी TH स्टार्ट होगा फिर UL टैग स्टार्ट होगा. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू क्लोज UL टैग एंड देन फाइनली TH टैग. सो सी द कोडिंग. सी border equal to 1, align center as per previous and we are not having any kind of heading, so मैंने caption tag यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है. Then first thing is this is the first row and in first row we are having HSC board exam, okay, with col span equal to 2. So I wrote in this TH col span equal to 2 HSC board exam and I close this TR. Why? Because after this board exam ये जो लिखा हुआ है इसके बाद we are not having anything in our table in first row. Okay, so I close this first row. Next is in second row we got row span equal to 2. Why? मैंने अभी बोला ये बॉक्स को काउंट करना है. So ये 1 ये 2, don't go according to this number. Okay, वो बॉक्स के अंदर है. So this is our row and this is also our row. सो यहाँ पे दो रो को मर्ज करने के बाद कंप्यूटर साइंस मिला है. सो हियर वी आर हैविंग रो स्पैन 2 एंड डेटा इज कंप्यूटर साइंस. क्लियर. फिर एक न्यू TH है अभी उसी सेकेंड रो में. आप देखो अगर इसी सेकेंड रो में यहाँ पे यही सेकेंड रो है अगर, तो इसमें क्या है, एक और TH में क्या मिलेगा, पेपर 1 एंड 2. बट वी हैव टू यूज OL टैग. सो लेट्स सी, TH मैंने स्टार्ट किया, OL स्टार्ट किया, टाइप 1 दिया, उसमें LI टैग यूज करके पेपर 1 2 लिखा एंड आई क्लोज दिस OL टैग एंड आफ्टर दिस आई क्लोज दिस TH. मतलब ये मेरा सेकेंड रो का सेकेंड डेटा. सेकेंड रो का फर्स्ट डेटा क्या था, कंप्यूटर साइंस विद स्पैनिंग एंड सेकेंड डेटा इज पेपर 1 एंड 2. And after this paper 1 and 2 we are not having anything here in this second row, so I have to close this second row. तो मैंने यहाँ पे ये row close किया. And in third row I started with TH tag and उसमें मैंने दिया UL type equal to disk. okay, और content में 200 marks जो भी वहाँ पे दिया है और वही आपको लिखना है. LI tag close किया and I forgot to close here UL tag. You have to close UL tag here after this LI tag, okay, and close this TH tag, then TR tag, okay. So ये आपका थर्ड रो भी खत्म हो गया. Then table tag, then body tag and HTML, okay. So let's see what we are getting. This is my code. And I'll run this table program and see this final output. We got the same, okay. Just count the number of boxes as your number of rows and columns, so you will definitely, you won't confused anywhere, okay. And our next topic is cell spacing and cell padding. This is the last topic of our table tag, and it is also very important. We get board programs based on this topic also, and what is the meaning of those terms we will learn in next video. Practice such kind of program by your own, and if you are getting any kind of doubt, please mention in comment box. I'll help you out in any manner, whatever I can do, okay. Thank you class.